Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 number system. We have already revised some part of this chapter in our previous video. Again we are going to continue. So let's start. So today we'll learn conversion of number system. So first we are going to learn convert decimal number into binary number. Students, we all know the base of binary number is 2. Okay, so how we will do this equation, how we will convert decimal number into binary number, just see now. So as we all know the base is 2, we will write divisor quotient and remainder. So first we will write digit here, that is 3333. Alright, so we will divide this digit by 2 as base of binary number is 2. So we will start by dividing by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 1. Again we will divide by 2. 2 8 are 16, so there is no remainder, then 0. Again 2. 2 4s are 8, again 0, no remainder. Again we will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, again 0 remainder. Again we will divide quotient by this divisor. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 0. Again we will divide 1 by 2. So by when we are trying to divide it, what we will be doing 2 1s are 2, so it will not be divided, so a remainder will be 1. So we can write this number system as, therefore 33 10 is equal to, we will start writing binary number from here, from down. So it would be 1 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, so 1 0 0 0 0 1 base 2. Okay, so that would be the answer. Again we will try to do one more equation. So let's say 125. This is the decimal number. We have to convert this number into binary. So how we will do it? We will write divisor quotient and remainder. So digit is 1 2 5. We will write down here. Then we have to divide this digit by 2 because base of binary number is 2. So 2 2 6 are 12, sorry, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, so remainder is 1. This is nothing. Again we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 0. Again we will divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2, carry 1. Again 2 5s are 10, 1. Again we will divide by 2. 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1. Again we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. Again we will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder is 1. Again we will try to divide it by 2. So this would be like this, 0 and 1. So now what is decimal number? What is binary number of 125? It would be like this, 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. 1 1 1 1 1, 5 times 1, 0 1, base 2. So this would be answer. So now second question is convert binary number 101110 into decimal number. So how we will convert it? First of all, we will write down this digit over here. Okay, we'll start here. We'll start writing this digit. So we'll write down. We'll start from here. 0 1 1 1 0 1. All right. Now, as we know, power of base. What is base of binary number? 2. So how we will write it? 2. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to multiply digit by power of base. Okay. So we have to write 0 as digit into power of base 2, 0. 2 की power 0. Okay. Again we'll write like this, 1 into 2 की power 1. Again we'll write down 1 into 2 की power 2. Then 1 into 2 की power 3. Then 0 into 2 की power 4. Then 1 into 2 की power 5. Okay. Digit, all digit we have just noted it here. And base, power of base, like we'll start by 0, 1 2 3 4 5. We all know if the power is 0 of any number, it would be 1. Number would be 1. It means 0 into 1. Then 2 की power 1 is 2 only. Then 2 की power 4 is 4. 2 power 3 is 2. 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8. Then 2 की power 4 is 0 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2, 16. Then 1 into 2 की power 5 is 32. Now we will just calculate it. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 ones are 2. 4 ones are 4. 8 ones are 8. 16 into 0 is 0 only. Then 32. Now we have to make it total. So total is 8 to 10, 16, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. So the decimal number is 46 of this digit. Okay, so we will write like this, 101110 is equal to 40, power 2 is 46 की power 10. All right. To make it clear, again we are converting one binary number to decimal number. Let's say 10010. Okay, this is the binary number. We have to convert this number into decimal number, into decimal. Okay, so how we'll do it? We will write digit first. What are the digits? We will start from here, 0, then 1, then 0 0 0 0, then 1. Okay, this is the digit. Now power of base, power of base. So power of base, first we will write 0 digit into base of binary is 2 की power 0, then 1 into 2 power 1, then 0, third digit is 0 into 2 की power 2, then again 0 into 2 की power 4, then last digit is 1 into, this is 3, 2 की power 4. We have wrote it. Now calculation, 0, 2 की power 0 is 1 only, 1 into 2 power 1 is 2, 0 into 2 की power 2 is 4, again 0 into 2 की power 3 is 8, again 1 into 2 की power 4 is 16. Okay, now the product of this equation is 0 into 1 is 0, 2 ones are 2, 0 into 4 is 0, 0 into 8 is 0, 16. So this is 18. So value of this binary number is 18 into a decimal form. So we will write, therefore 10010 2 is equal to 18 की power 18 base 10. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the third topic is octal to decimal. As you can say, there is a digit is mentioned by base 8. How we can say this is the octal number? We can just see the base, then we can recognize it is a octal number, cause base of octal is 8. Okay, so we will write the number. First of all, we will write the digits. We will start from here writing. We'll start writing from here only. Then 4 3 0 1. Okay, we'll write it like this: 4 first, then 3, then 0, then 1. Now power of base. Power of base, how you will write it down? In decimal, binary to decimal, how we wrote it? Base was 2. Now octal to decimal, how we wrote? Base is 8. Octal base is 8. So we'll write 8. Okay, first of all we write down the digit 4. Okay, that base power is 0. First base power is 0, then 3, then 8 power 1, then 0 8 power 2, then 1 8 power 3. Now what we have to do? We have to do calculation. Now as we are calculating, so as I have already told you, 8 power 0 is 1. Any number with power 0 is 1 only. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Then 3, 8 power 1 is 8 only, 24. Then 0 into 8 power 2 is 64. But 0 into 64 is 0. Okay. Then 1, 8 power 3 is 8 into 8 into 8, which is 512, or you can calculate on rough side also. So 512. Now we have to do total. So 448, 2, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 5. So the decimal number is 540. So we will write like this: 10348 is equal to 540 in decimal. So base would be 10. Okay. Again we are taking one more example of octal number. So this is the octal number. We have to convert it into decimal. So how we will convert it? First we will write digits. Okay, how we will write digit? We will write from here 1, then 0, then 3, then 2. Okay, after that power of base. We all know base of octal number is 8. Okay, so how we'll write it? First we will write the digit 1, 8 power 0, then digit 0, 8 power 1. It would be increases by 1, number 1. Then digit 3, 8 power 2, then digit 2, 8 power 3. Now calculation. How we will calculate? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 0 into 8 is equal to 0. 3 into 64. Okay, 192. We have just multiply these number. Now 2 into 64, sorry, not 64, 512. 8 into 8 into 8, 512. So it would be 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, this would be the product of 512 into 2. Okay, now product. Now we have to add this 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 1 1 2 1. So this is the total. So we can say 23018 is equal to 121710 base. All right. Now the fourth type of conversion is hexadecimal number to decimal number. As you can see, how we will recognize this is a hexadecimal number. First reason is, first can be 16 base is 16, and alphabet is there with decimal number. Okay, so this is the hexadecimal number. So how we will convert hexadecimal to decimal number? First of all, what is the place value of E? That is 14. Let me write the place value of each alphabet. A is 10 because 0 to 9 are digit. Then A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, F is 15. Okay. So now how we will calculate hexadecimal into decimal number? We will write digit, then digit is E21, right? So first we will write E21. All right. The place value of E is 14. Okay. Now power of base. Okay, so base of hexadecimal number is 16, we all know. So we'll write down 16 here. First of all, we'll write the digit here, 14 into 16 power 0. Every base power will start from 0 only. Then we will write 2, as digit is 2 here, into 16 power 1. Then 1 into 16 power 2. Now calculate. 14 into 16 power 0 is 1. It means product is 14 only. Now 2 into 16 power 1 is 16 only. 16 twos are 32. Now 1 into 16 means 16 square is 256. 256 into 1 is 256 only. Alright, so we will just calculate it, add it. 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 3. So total is 302. Hence we can say 12E hexadecimal is equal to 302 decimal number. Alright, so this is the answer. Again we are converting one more hexadecimal into decimal number. So how we'll do? We'll write digit first. Digit is E. Digit is C. This is C. 10, C, 16. Okay. So digit is C. So place value of C is 12, then 0, then 1. So power of base. How we will write? The hexadecimal base is 16 and the first digit is 12. 12 into 16, 16 power 0. So if we will calculate it, 12 into 16 power 0 is 1 only. After that, place value, the second digit is 0. 0 into 16 power 1. 16 power 1. So 0 into 16 power 1 is 16 only. Again we will write the third digit 1 into 16 power 2. So 1 and 16 into 16 is 256. Okay, 256. Now product. So 12 into 1 is 12 only. 16 into 0 is 0. Now 256 into 1 is 256 only. So 6, 7, 8, 5, 1, 8, 6, 2. So 10C hexadecimal is equal to 268 base 10. Alright. So this is the answer.